So we might have just seen the next upcoming cryptocurrency. So as you all know that there have been a lot of cryptocurrencies that have pumping recently, and we have covered a lot of them like WorldCoin, JasmineCoin, SeaCoin, and everything related to those we have covered on this channel. And we are going to be talking about an upcoming coin that might be an early opportunity for you to jump in and grab your profit. So we are going to be talking about a new cryptocurrencies that is called Axelar. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this might be an upcoming opportunity for you to jump in. It has been up around 18% in the past day and almost the same percent in the past 7 days. So this might be the next 100, 200x coin that we are waiting for in the market. And this is a very early coin. So that's what we're going to be talking about, what opportunity you could see in this coin. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video. And let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, currently on coinmarket.com as usual. And as we are talking about the most cryptocurrencies, we can see that our top 24-hour cryptocurrencies, if we take a look at the most moved cryptocurrencies in the past 24 hours. So as we talk about the most moved cryptocurrencies in the past, we can see that Axelar is on top of the list. In the top 100 coins, obviously is in a low number. It is on number 92, but we are seeing huge movements with this, around 18% in only the past 24 hours. And 17.4% in the past 7 days. So we are still moving fairly good in the past times. And let's just take a quick look at what's happening with this right now. So we are currently trading at around $1.48, up around 17.92% in the past 24 hours. This graph looks kind of crazy for something like this to be true. So let's just take a look at the left panel first. This market cap is around $859 million, which is also up around the same amount, and around $21 million, up around 220% in the past 24 hours. So the volume is increasing like crazy. We are seeing huge amounts of volume coming in Axelar, and we are seeing a lot of hype towards it also. So as we move, we are to see even more possibly upcoming crazy numbers. So let's move on to the if we take a look at this 1 day chart. Even this 1 day chart, we started off with $1.25, and throughout the whole day we have moved up to the current price around 100, I would say 51 cents, something around there. And that's the highest point we have hit. So more than 25-cent increase in just 1 day is a big deal for such a small coin like this, and just small changes in these kind of coins cause huge percent changes. So let's take a look at the 7 day. 7 days looks fairly neutral because it had moved down, then it had moved up, down, up and down. So there was some volatility, but this is what our main movement looks like throughout the whole week. And even if we look at the month, our main we are up around a crazy 47%. And we were kind of neutral before that. We were having a lot of crazy rough months. If we look at the yearly, we were in a very downtrend until November. That is where things start reversing, and we started seeing the opposite of the market. We started going back to the high numbers. So currently, even if we look at the current rate, we are up around 105%. And if we look at from the lowest, we are more than around, I would say around 100, more than 150% throughout the whole up and down, lowest to highest in the year. So this is a very upcoming opportunity. You can grab on this. This might be the next WorldCoin, because WorldCoin, as we look at this, we did talk about it on this channel. Even at the current times, JasmineCoin and WorldCoin are still up 140 5%, and WorldCoin is at 138. So these are still seeing some huge changes in throughout the whole market. So that's what we are seeing in the total currency. So we might see an upcoming opportunity for you to grab Axelar. Do make sure we did tell you about this first on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. That was about it. We did talk about an upcoming opportunity that you can grab in the upcoming times. This might be the next 100x, next 150x. So that was about it. If you did enjoy these videos, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Do make sure to tune in daily on the live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto news, any recent price changes. So do make sure to tune in daily, and do make sure to check out my other long form content like this, talking about any recent price changes and anything in that sort. So do make sure to check out these long form videos also. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.